Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. To everyone who is new to my channel, hello and welcome. My name is Goldnessaxo, and in today's video I'm going to be transforming my look from this to this. So this is not like a changing my makeup routine type of thing. This is actually like changing my appearance. I've seen a lot of girls with bangs like this, and I was just like, oh my god, like they look so pretty, but I don't feel like it would go on my face because the girls would have like heart-shaped faces, and I was like, okay, well my face is oval, so I don't know if that's gonna work. So I decided to go ahead and, you know what, say it, and hair grows, you know, obviously eyebrow hair grows. So I was like, you know what, I'm gonna go ahead and shave my eyebrow. Since I already had bangs, it wasn't hard to find like how much bang hair I wanted. So I got makeup wipes and decided to wipe down my face just so my face can have a little bit of moisture, like kind of using it like if it was shaving cream or whatever, just so it could be easier for my brow shaver to move. So because I wanted them straight, I made sure that my arch disappeared. So basically I shaved off the curves of my eyebrows, top and bottom. Like the turning point of my eyebrows, I shaved those off because I wanted straight brows. And then to start off my whole makeup look, I am going in with my Tatcha Indigo Cream and applying that all over the face. And then after that, I'm going in with my Jeffree Star Liquid Frost in the color Frozen Peach and applying that all over the face as well. As you guys can see, it gives me a really glowy look, and I honestly live for that. And for my foundation, I am going in with the Becca 24-Hour Foundation in the color Olive. And then with my KKW concealer in the number 5, I'm going to conceal and apply a little bit of that concealer in the eyelid area. So I wouldn't really use this concealer as a prep for your eyeshadows because, as you will see later on in the video, they actually do crease. So it wasn't really that good of an idea to use the KKW concealer as a prep for my eyeshadows. So first, I'm basically drawing a line tracing the form of my eyebrow from the bottom and tracing the form of my eyebrow on top. And then, as you guys can see, I'm basically creating blocks towards the end of my eyebrows. So I still didn't know where my eyebrow would arch and end. So I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna create 2 blocks and kind of allow my concealer pencil to kind of roll with my face, because I don't know, there's like a part of my face where just kind of naturally curves. So that's what I did. Basically, I followed the natural curvature of my face, if that makes sense. And that's where I knew where to curve it. As you guys can see, my eyebrow hairs are so long. Towards the end of the video, I end up cutting those eyebrow hairs. I was thinking about using those eyebrow hairs to cover up the like drawn on part of my eyebrow, just to make it look like, you know, I didn't shave my eyebrow at all. But as you guys will see during the video, I noticed that my eyebrow hairs are just rebellious and they didn't want to work with the shape of the eyebrow that I wanted to go for. So I decided to cut them off. And then with my B81 brush, I'm going to go in with my Laura Mercier translucent powder and just apply that on my lids and above my eyebrow. And then going in with a bigger brush, the B47 brush, I'm going to apply the powder all over my face. And then with the M510 brush, I'm going to go in with my Glamour Dolls Vacation Bronzer. And then with the M511 brush, I'm gonna grab the color Sunburst from the Anastasia Glow Kit. So I basically apply my highlighter like a line, like a harsh line, and then I go in with a bigger brush, my M510 brush, and blend that line out. And that is how I get the most out of my highlighter. And for my blush, I am basically applying it on top of my highlighter and also on the apples of my cheeks. And then starting off the eyeshadow, I'm going to go in with my M573 brush, and I'm going to grab that lightest brown and apply it all over my lid. And then grabbing the same brush, I'm going to go in with that brown you see there and apply it on my crease. And then with my M408, I'm gonna go in with that shiny champagne-ish eyeshadow and apply it on my brow bone. And then grabbing the same brush we were using, I'm gonna use it to blend out all the eyeshadows together. Now with our M507 brush, we're going to be grabbing that darker brown and applying it to our outer parts of our eyelids. And then grabbing that same fluffy brush we were using throughout the video, we're going to use that to blend out all the shades together. Now to gel our eyebrows, I'm going to use the Anastasia Clear Brow Gel. And to set my face, I am using the Morphe setting spray. And I also applied my NYX Nude Wonder Pencil on my waterline. And now I'm going to apply my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. The lashes I'm going to use are the Lily lashes in the style Miami. And for the glue, I'm going to use the Duo Brush On Glue. And for my lips, I'm going to go in with Backseat Love and Wifey. And because my bangs get so used to the position they're in, I always use this method to kind of relax them and put them back down. I always have to go in with my rat comb and also my heat protectant to kind of calm them down and restyle them. By the way, you guys, if you guys did not notice this makeup is actually Korean inspired. So the straight eyebrows and the white eyeshadow underneath the eye, or the glittery eyeshadow underneath my eye. I've been seeing a lot of their tutorials lately and I was like, oh my god, I have to like incorporate some of their makeup methods into my way of doing my makeup because I really like it. So this is the end of my video, you guys. Hopefully you guys like it, and give this video a thumbs up, leave some comments down below, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!